Today I'm going to be showing you some of my favorite stuff, maybe. First up we have my pop tube, or, hold on, my pop tube, and it can go back and forth like the squishies, like a squishy from Toy Story. It's really hard with one hand because I have to film with the other. And I have to, like, it goes out. And next up we have this slime I got from school because the other day we went on an Easter egg hunt at my school. And yeah, I don't have everything else, so I'm gonna have to go in another room and see whatever I'm there. Alright, I'm there. So yeah. And I'm gonna be showing you my squishies, if that's alright with you. Alright. First up, we have this little dude. I really like him a lot, and it feels like he's filled with air. Next up, I have this one. It's really hard to squish with one hand, so yeah. Next up, I have this one. It's big too. I painted it. Next up, I have this unicorn. That's like definitely all teared up. Okay, that was my sister showing it. And here is this one. I also painted this one. I really like how I did it. Look at the back. And I also have my unicorn one. I really love it a lot. Oh, and here's one of my favorites. It has Orbeez in it, and I just can't stop playing with it. You want to hear the sound? If you hear it, and wait, before I go on with the video, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up, please. Because I only have a little bit of subscribers, and I really don't have that much subscribers, and I'm really sad about that. And here's this one. I really like it because it's fuzzy. Looks fuzzy. Eileen, stop. Eileen, stop showing that stuff. So here's this. Yeah. Here's my donut squishy, one of my favorites. I used to have a horn, but it got ripped up by my mean sister. Eileen, stop. I'll do that one in a minute. And I have this one, which I really like. Oh yeah. I also have this one. Sorry, I'm like eating something. So yeah, I have this one. Eileen, no, give that back. I really like it. Take one of the others. Next up, I have my yummy. Eileen, want to say hi? Hi. You shy? Next up, I have this one. I actually painted it. I loved how it turned out, but now it's off. I also have this snowman one. I also have these two. Oh, well, one's ripped off. Here's the head, and yeah. Next up, I have a macaroni and a donut. I really like these a lot. Next up, we have this other donut. I really like it. Next up, we have this donut too that I actually colored. It came white because you have to color them, and it does have a big rip in it, but I don't want to show you all because I can't really get on it. So yeah, it's really nice. Here's my rainbow squishy that I really, really love. Here is this Christmas tree I really, really like. I just love this one a lot. I also have this unicorn one. I really love it.